Let's learn how to use the present simple tense in English. We use the present simple for habits, routines, and things that are always true. I wake up at 7 a.m. I cook dinner every evening. This is something I do every day. With he, she, or it, we add an s to the verb. She reads books. He plays football. The cat drinks milk. And for they, or we keep the verb the same. They work on Mondays. We go shopping on Sundays. For negative sentences, use don't or doesn't. I don't speak Japanese. You don't like mushrooms. We don't work on Saturdays. They don't eat meat. He doesn't understand the question. She doesn't go to the gym on weekends. It doesn't rain much in the desert. To form questions in the present simple tense, we use do or does. For I, you, we, they, use do. Do you like coffee? Do they play soccer on weekends? For he, she, it, use does. Remember, the verb stays in its base form. No s added. Does he like pizza? Does she work on Mondays? Does it rain a lot here? Practice, and you'll get better.